This is for mathematical methods. It's a 6-question quiz number 4, question number 5. Okay, so the customer also buys potatoes, so it's now totally changed. We're now about potatoes, and their weights are normally distributed. 20% weigh less than 25, and 15% weigh more than 55. Find the mean and standard deviation. So to find the mean or the standard deviation or both, we have to use the z-score. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my potatoes, and it's normally distributed. I don't know the mean and I don't know the standard deviation, but I do know that 55 grams, 0.15 weigh more than 55, and 20% weigh less than 25. So if I could draw Z below it and find out the corresponding number to 55, Z1, and the corresponding number to 25, Z2, I could use Z equals X minus mean on standard deviation to find it. So on my calculator, I know that I'm working with the z-scores, and I know that probability is 0.15, and that one is 0.2. I think I've drawn them around the wrong way, but that's okay. That's now bigger than that. Beautiful. So on my calculator, I'm interested in the inverse normal for a left to be 0.2 and go okay, and that gives me a z-score of negative 8416. And I'm interested in an inverse normal right tail to be 0.15. And that gives me a z-score of 1.03. So this is my connection. So negative 0.8416 equals 25 minus mean over standard deviation, and 1.03 equals 55 minus mean over standard deviation. Put those into the calculator and I'll solve for mean and standard deviation, and the calculator can do that solving for me. So I'll bring up simultaneous equations. This equals fraction, I'll use 25 minus, and I'll use x for the mean and y for the standard deviation. And then this is my second equation. That's going to equal, that was 55, wasn't it? 55 minus x divided by the standard deviation. I'm going to solve that for x comma y, and that gives me a mean of 38.44 grams and a standard deviation of 15.97 grams.